Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony GTK-XB72 Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, if it keeps disconnecting, if you're getting, the sound is not in sync with the other speakers, anything like that, this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history and everything like that will be deleted off of this speaker and it will be like it's just coming out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do that real easily. The first thing we need to do is just turn it off and unplug it. And then wait a couple seconds and then plug it back in. And then turn it back on. And then once it's on, we're going to find the function button and the volume down button and hold these two buttons simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. If you hold them more than 5 seconds, it will cause it to do a full reset, in which it will turn off. Then we can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up like a new speaker.